Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Grant Nicol from Inspiring Affiliates. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about 6 really great affiliate marketing programs that you can sign up to for free in 2021. Now guys, I've been on my affiliate marketing journey for over 12 months now, and I've done a lot of trying and testing for different affiliate marketing offers. Now, one thing I've noticed is that the highest paying affiliate marketing offers are not always the best. So in this video, guys, some of the offers that you're going to come across are not necessarily going to be amazingly paid, but they are really popular, which means in the long run, if you sign up to promote them, you're going to get consistent commission coming in. Now, these offers, they vary, they're in different industries, but they're all proven to be really popular. So I'm going to dive into my computer right now, break down these 6 offers, and if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave me a like. But let me jump into my computer and get started right now. Here we go. So the first affiliate marketing program that I want to share with you guys today is Bluehost. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Bluehost, it's basically a hosting platform where people can host their websites or their domain names. They have a really great affiliate program that's free to sign up to, where we get paid $65 for each person that signs up to Bluehost. Now, the reason why it's so popular as an affiliate marketing platform, guys, is because the pricing structure is really, really low. So people can sign up for as little as $2.95 per month to host their website, and Bluehost will still pay us $65. So it's really popular, and you can literally just sign up by going across to the sign up button. You just need to put your details in right here, and you also need to specify your PayPal email address, because you're going to get paid by PayPal every time you get somebody to refer. So this is an excellent affiliate marketing platform. If you know anybody that's looking to get a hosting platform for their website or their domains, you can definitely make some great money with Bluehost. So the second affiliate marketing platform that I wanted to share with you guys is over at Booking.com. Booking.com is a place where people go to book hotels and accommodation. Okay, now the reason why this affiliate program is so good, guys, is because we can make 25% to 40% per sale for every single person that books accommodation through this website. Now, this can add up to a lot of money in affiliate commissions, because you can see some of the hotels, they go for like $100 to $200 per night, and some people stay, in these hotels, guys, for weeks on end, and we can, as I said, make 40% commission, which adds up quite fast. So somebody stays in a hotel for 7 days, and that equates to $1,000, then we're going to make 40% commission, which would be $400. So this is definitely a really great affiliate marketing platform to sign up to, especially in the travel industry. You can join for free, and you can sign up from anywhere in the world. You just need to put your details in and then sign up, guys. Okay, so it's definitely one that you want to check out, Booking.com. Now, the next one that I wanted to share with you is a similar one, and this is actually TripAdvisors.com. Okay, TripAdvisors is a place where people can book restaurants, flights, they can book packages, cruises, and they can even book cars or rent cars if they want to. Now, the reason why this is so good is because we can make 50% commission, guys, every single time. You can see right there, 50%, somebody books a hotel, books a car, or books a flight, okay? And all the rest of the stuff is up here, restaurants, hotels. So 50% commission, guys. And the great thing is as well, we can log on and we can sign up straight away, and we can get going, and we can use all of their platforms to promote the offers. They have a ton of tools that we can use. You can sign up with Awin, or you can sign up with CJ Affiliate. But if somebody books a vacation, they end up renting a car, and they end up booking a restaurant all through TripAdvisor, again, you can make some money, big money, really fast, 50% commission. So you can sign up to become an affiliate by just going across to Get Started right here, and then you just need to put your details in and sign up to get your affiliate links. So that was the third affiliate marketing platform. Now, the next one that I want to go to is possibly one of my favorites, and this is Fiverr. Now, I've done reviews on Fiverr a lot, or I've used Fiverr in my videos a lot, guys. Fiverr is basically a freelancing website where people can hire freelancers that provide different services under marketing. For example, if you wanted a logo created, you can go to Fiverr, or if you wanted a website created, you can go to Fiverr, okay? But what a lot of people don't realize is they have a really great affiliate program that pays some great money. Now, the affiliate programs can be split in 2 different sections. You can go for Fiverr CPA when you get 15 to $150 every time somebody signs up for the first time and purchases, or you can choose to get $10 and then 10% commission for every single sale that's made in the first 12 months. Okay, so if you refer somebody over and they spend $100, you're going to get $10, but then if they buy something every single month after that, or every couple of weeks for the first 12 months, you're going to make 10% commission, guys, again and again doing it. So you can choose whichever platform that you want. And another great thing as well is you can actually promote this as an affiliate, and every time you refer an affiliate over to this platform, i.e. another affiliate marketer, and they make money, you're going to get 10% of their earnings as well. So not only can you make money promoting this website, but you can also make money through other affiliates that you get across to the website. So it's really, really good. And there are thousands of different products and services that people can buy on here. That's why it's so popular. To become an affiliate, all you do, guys, is just go to join now. Really straightforward. You put your details in and you sign up, and you can sign up within 5 minutes. It's really easy to do. So definitely check this out, fiverr.com, where you can make some great money. The next one that I wanted to share with you guys is called Elementor. Now, Elementor is a drag and drop website builder that's really popular. But the great thing about this website is that you can make a ton of money online. You can see that here are all the different types of packages. Now, with the Elementor affiliate program, we're going to make 50% commission on any sale that we make. So if you get somebody that comes across and signs up to the $999 a year plan, then we're going to make $500 per year, guys, for life, as long as this person or this customer that you refer stays with the program. So it's really powerful and it's really popular because, again, it makes building websites easy by just dragging and dropping. So you can come across, guys, and if you want to sign up to become an affiliate, then all you need to do is go down to the very bottom. You just need to go to the affiliate section, which is right here. And then all you need to do is come down and go to submit application, and you can apply to become an affiliate, where again, guys, you make 50% commission on any of these plans that you refer people over to right here. So there's big money to be made. Now, the next one that I wanted to share with you guys is over at Health IQ. Health IQ is a life insurance website where people can sign up to get, obviously, their life insurance. Every time we refer someone over and they sign up, we make $150, guys. And the great thing is there's a 30-day cookie, which means if we refer people over to this website and they come back within the next 30 days and they sign up to get life insurance, we're going to make $150 or up to $150. Okay, so if you know anybody that's looking for life insurance or looking to get some sort of quotes, guys, you can refer them over to this website. If you want to partner with the company, all you do is go to sign up, and you just need to fill in some information. It's the usual stuff. You need to apply to become an affiliate. You need to come down right here, guys, and you need to hit apply now. And then all you need to do is just pick whether or not you're a traditional affiliate or you're an influencer, and then you can sign up, guys. So that was a really cool one right there for life assurance. And the last platform that I wanted to share with you guys is over at Aweber. Aweber is a website where you can create your very own email campaigns for email marketing, guys. But you can also sign up to become an affiliate, where you make 30% recurring commission. Now, you may not think that's necessarily a lot of money, guys, but the great thing is this is paid for life, provided your customers remain members of this plan. Now, you can see here all the different types of plans. You can see if the person has 0 to 500 subscribers, you're going to make 30% commission a month of the $16, but the prices go up, guys, depending on how many subscribers your customer has. Let's just say somebody has between 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, then this amount is going to be billed monthly, and you're going to make 30% commission of $66. So this is going to be paid to you every single month, guys, and it's really easy to sign up to become an affiliate. All you need to do is just hit this get started button. You need to fill your details in as usual, and then just apply, put your PayPal account in. But what I also really like about Aweber is there's tons of tools that you can use as well to promote the website so you can get more sales. They have articles and ads, and they have stats as well, so you can track any clicks that you're getting. So this is perfect for anybody in the marketing niche that's looking to get started and looking to build an email list. So those are the different platforms. Just to recap on all of this, the first one is Bluehost, which is for hosting websites. The second one is for booking.com, where you can make money when people sign up to book accommodation. The next one is TripAdvisor, where you can get paid for people who will book restaurants, flights, vacations, cruises, and rental cars, guys. The next one is Fiverr, which is a freelancing based website where you can make money whenever anyone signs up to request and help with a freelancer. The next one, guys, is a drag and drop website builder called Elementor, and you can make 50% commission on any of these plans a year. And the next one is Health IQ. This is a program that will pay you $150 for life assurance. And the final one is Aweber, where you can make 30% commission for this email marketing software. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you some affiliate programs that I found to be really, really good. I hope that you guys can have a lot of success with them and you make a lot of money from them. If you guys are confused with anything or need any other tips, drop me a comment below and I'll come right back to you. But thanks for watching the video, and I'll be in contact soon. Cheers.